Yani ebusia for ya mamumo nya brachwan ya me ada ye ho akwaba Amen Scientific Herbal and Alternative Medical Hospital Adaroma ye de apomuden komo no ebremo na Amen de osaya de tu afenti ade bi e ha won show mo kwan dome or snit flat in chain pay and na afi Spintex Community 18 Junction oban Alhaji Collins Dawuda fie no kuma se Kate amrom anatwima techiman and na afi over 17 branches ganning na for 020-722-9505 02452-75254 and at 024-227192. Any mad way, take a semen cancer says still only tia so only nemom ene aye World Women's Day na esan aye World Kidney Day no enye nwanwa ntina kidney day no omo team no say kidneys and women health enti ye di emade na ye kasa abo anase ye kaya mafo se ye hwe sabo ho ye na ye bodawuro ne akyekye sabo ho yade no ye se ye sabo ene ema apomuden ene wiase nyina emade ya yedi or say the time is now. The time to progress is now. The time to act is now. The time to be empowered is now. The time to act is now. The time to talk is now. The time to be active and get involved is now. Enti sawa ye obey die enene umreni. Last year na ye say eye last year ni ye say eye women in the changing world of work. Ya changing world na wi enti ye breni wo mabokwan na to hwa mai aka yen ene ye se ba bi wo a wo mo cha de ye mema ne che ma na de che se ebi mo kura di ni ti se Women's Day no bi a fly kakra fly be say na no birthday de ya me kofia no bi dia be che atwontwom pa cho me flowers card na and I also card de so me kaya but what's in be share me kura nti card ye mfa viral message ma sa message na mu twa na mu ato apeti ni pa thousands so how Debbie be creative, be a genius, create your own way. However, obetumi so akoto ornaments, jewelries, now they are chill, baby. So I'm celebrating you today. Baby, cry day a holiday, but you had and your holiday, so we say yedi. It's yedi sa a mad day, not yedi a year kidney day, so account na ye share ma. Apomuden any kidney na ye bisa say de ye betimi aye de aboa ya pomuden titi ye sabu na de yours truly ne we get chenkure say fuha but nyameti ase sister na pomuden da sugina ni naso en wasen aye wo bantie na de wo san ne mu ba beche another aspect of her life Abigail Ashley no and Dr. Elliot Cranton Tunnel. Yeah, well, yeah, kidney physician all the way from Comfort Anochi Teaching Hospital. So when you say Abigail Ashley, a founder, Emma behind my small project. It's a foundation be one and a project on a foundation in Subeba. Okay, project or and Abigail Ashley Foundation. It's on your health advocate be posting assistance so the time to act is now. Doc Akwaba.
Yeah, so she's acting.
She's acting, yeah, she's acting. The time is now. Abi me ma utiri nkwa
na me na eda na se
ene memo ma besia kwa ni ma Dubai eni ma ntimi ankasa ya
wenzimi we show
na boys you cry
mo twitwa camera na mo ne na
that shey be meeting Bob Prince Eddie Okoba no happy Women's Day. They are two color maybe omo parcel gift diaba so ma fa gift about demonstration
e be omo planning baby after the show
omo planning what say you
some surprise
omo anye pa demonstration so be join them
why not
my you say chese sa they get when I just so kwetwi mako ne banku bia se me pe banku ne mako ami na pomu te say
na me adom sta ya
and na World Kidney Day it will say
yemi de say and then so abatumi biom
okay
because enye obebia na etimi fam na obedu baby amedu no na esan International Women's Day no we did say Dr. Betchechemu unya kidney problem we oba no nyama o fam
okay
yeah it's so difficult say sometimes edu baby say because moja unya moja no unsakra umbubium yes umbu unsebim So you can just imagine where you're about wounds, and then you can just know say the aka in our wounds mean it. Oh, something also around a power break. I assume say who will be seen or so show more.
Yeah.
Then I'll be.
No wonder senior say kidneys and women health. Doc, why are we celebrating Kidney Day?
Yeah.
Nipadua kakrakai ye ni ya no ye hwene baby a didn't see ye day a that way 8th March as he was say ye ka say World Kidney Day.
Yeah. Enti afebia medasepa afebia ye 2 March bosome no esi ho se ye de kaka ye ho ne ana meka tan bia na se amanfo nim sa akoma ho amanfo nim diabetes yare ne nim bebre but ne actually ka no anya dodo na ne nim se yare bi kra ho ha ye friend kidney nti ye da bia amansan nyina ye de kaka ye ho say oh kidney no ho kidney no very important say ne o kan o moja asem obi be ka say na kidney ni moja asem de e den plan no na kidney no e na eboa honam dua no e ma ne ye moja nti say o kidney ni nya adwuma o won say time bia na o moja so ate nti moja no so te ene ne ye o na o ka say ontimi kra mu nsa nti e bibia amanfo nim nanso e bibia e di enya yi nti ya ye te ben amanfo a yare a e ha adwensa na ye fi say bosumi bia in fact afibia o si yi bosumi ba ko nti amansan nyina ye adwense March ene yi ato ho nti normally na is the 2nd week of March and at this time around ababeto Women's Day nti ye decided say okay ene ye ka International Women's Day ne kidney abom dia ene ye discuss ya na ye nka enwema peculiar efa emma ho a nti emma kidney no edi omunya kese pa nti na I say ya kan abom sa nti ye theme no is kidney and women's health. Wow. And women being peculiar in the way they are and in our setting oba yare obema yare a obeka so oba ntina fie bema na beko hospital oti ase ever addition ho mmema na esu ade hu se okay be say nti wo say emma no are always left behind omo nso na omo ho kire omo na omo kwa awo mu na to de bia awo mu ne nnema nyina nnema bi wo ho etimi si etimi house am so oti ase nti nnema sa na yes okay na yentu ye hu si wo ne yenkeka sa nnema nyina ho ensem nkira mansan nti na ye di your memory and no.
Oh, okay. What boso kakra chire why Emma and I say women and health their health and kidney. A dear potin na mo pese afi Emma ntiase emphasize kidney you.
Okay. Me da sepa nia ye pese Emma ntiase in fact ye kan ma no nya mema ni nsi nchen because mema nso nya sa yare. Now so I call Women's Day nti mema mpacho mvenche nti ye kan ma ne de no mo kakra a chen mo. But nia ye beka afa emma no ho dodo na e bia wo nuaba wo yere wo baba nti ni nyina nso so hia wo nti mpacho menum TV no nka se o ye beka mma ho asem nti wedum TV ko nia ye kan no nso be de e be hia wo nti nia ye ka ko ne se ye feel say oh enne no emma e unique. In their makeup, the way Anyankopon abom. Sene make no ansa na ye bebo onipa abawiase no ejina emma so. Nanso ne anhwe emma yie amma ya pom omo apom din enhia ye ho bekire yen. So generally no as a theme for us Ghana with our celebration of World Kidney Day ye can your kidney and your responsibility. Okay. Yenti idea no aba beka ho na say yetimi hu say to de bia mete clinic na amanfo ebi obi aba na sa ho aka onim ne ekranti anensa ho aka ebia diabetes one so ebia hypertension one so yenim sesa noma mienu na commonest causes obia of sayare now so mra wonya sayare nya obeka so oh okọ hospital no bia nka bibia nche na mfa sa ho entini aye kan kira mansan nyina na sesa yare bi sa wo so a wo sa na ho den no ehia wo se na be a wa obetu ho anamo ene actually screening in rounds here screening or Parliament House. Nia ye ne say ote so be ye bibi about screening efa sa ho a ko na ko hwe odie na se na be a bia afi na e sha ase yetimi so ano otwen ema ne du ba bia yentimi so ano ani asemara nko enti bibi sa na ye pesa manfo na mansan nyina ate ase ye ne se sa ano e yare bia na sa yare ne yare bia e wo hapa e ha adwen e di amanfo dem enti ma wo sa ho ngede enhia a ye bo amanfo nkai kwanya ye befa so ye be den ye be prevent it
kwani so na Abigail o stories there yate da bia yate foforo ene de pese yate another version say why you ba say ene ye di World Women's Day why you ba na wo sabo yade no how ben na ofemo na kwan ben so na wafa wakopia bepem ne
stay asidia meka invitiation no eto de bia o sorry a why is so weak ontumi ne bibia which is say atare kra enye wo se obehya atare they say unim the ade potie ye o ba wo ba bia ye wo ya they say you feel so uncomfortable as ho ye wo hye as ho anyu as they say bibi ye o bitie me ya o mitinya me ya me ha ya me ya anya me ha they say bibi ye o prakware unti ase krabo and apart from that no so unze ka say kidney no so na ma omoja de bia omoja so ate enti ye wo injection bia ye wo erectoporitin ana mycera and also no boarding and so one wa sa ahode na wo hwehwe no wunya enti I said every week bia what sa injection apart from that in jobe brain or honso ayefa kidney na nkasa no doctor beka say eduro ni ho na mmom so mu hu de ba ya me dey see blood pressure genetic me nya from ebusuemu enti me wo to say blood pressure eduro to set be ya every day as me breakfast no mefa me wo dia mid control cholesterol me wo dia me fan sana se bio metumi akodjo nso kakra enti sa nya manidro no man fa the whole day me basa the whole day sometimes in super fun so still the and see it's not a very comfortable situation
yes afichiko no so to say
oh e try ya check as young as I am because moja na body ni bi enti be de na bi beba
nti sa wo fa menopause symptoms mu ana
oh ma fa mu jina de dada ma fa mu jina de dada oh I say and na make an show do show the do wa na was so asa do bi just be able and do side time just who be na bia hu we just say you don't even want to talk to anybody
sada na ya say I need ya bam na to that abofo no beba no abofo no ba o hu ade who cry no say I be or say oh sorry
wow sometimes e bi no betti as e bi no so nti as e na obi bu efu say oh sometimes no you say but chale enya mmia
na nhyiamu anti utum ni be ma di nhyiamu
say ya me ye bi a che papa menkai
on pese obeye
oh men pese me ye because and I make a show wo ahode na ngata nso deda
okay
and after no di kakra na ubenya na wo di betwa ho no wo di koye den na ewa ko
enti enye se yare na nti na ma wumtumi ni be ma nhyiamu wa na wa adwe men sonson me ho
ma men sonson me ho na ma ho de kakra na men fa mboa me ho because me exetia me nim the vesi because for now no me try say me person me keep it to myself and then manage it small yakopon na adom and
na be chire nkrofo
yes and na person me disi me
so see the life akade
not for yourself not for myself and no Roger be some na wo dwen ho I'm so the fatu je me sorry no pada me sorry no pada me wo se me nim ahonho na ma start chale e wo ho but any ho dia unse ada obo unse me space no na ne na ba na that is me sorry no pa me nim nyina ahonho
but so nim say you're a strong woman
oh I adom
you are a fighter and a survivor
I have to because we are botte we start dream pe you won't believe it na why you serious obi she say obi be can be show now Jones oh me are real sada no your whole day is like gone obey mre I said a kiki adwenu kofa bibi
for dream bebre you have come far you will go far
ube stu kakra no adwen kakra we are no paper we ni ase na eja abrabo
na so now say life goes on the time is now
and easy because unse moja na like a feature kono and no stress say doctors bekacho say I say what ngusua aha nti ngusua ni be na na nhia busume so na
e o say besin ba
it's not just say be edu no ngusua ni ntubiem because if it's nimba because ngusua ni to a onya moja na body ni nourish na niam na watu ngusua na just say ngusua ni nto a ebeba so
Ensemble. Dog, enti yempese ma befa na we okay. General for all kidney patients ma.
Yeah, in fact, general for a lot of except if it's corner sem but person me cheche bibim kakra.
Yes, dog.
Near sa no ye na se ena na eboa se efi ewo hu nipadua ni mu a epieba. Enti se onyon so se ne o kana, un se waka no easy sa but se ukogina ho anopa a wotime dwonso no e ya dom. So wontimi anyonso a ena junso ho mfaso nti wontimi anyonso a na me example am den say Zoom lion na obola ebia esi wo kitchen how do you feel you feel nauseous. Fit.
Yeah.
By what won't mean did because ball out. So it's the same thing. It's just like this time around, feeling new around the body.
So that's even more dangerous.
It is. So and of course, for you to send a can say, oh no, Bema be shame and as a dream one now be boonsano, it starts from the brain.
Yeah.
And normally, if everything is not right, I was so hanoma. Obviously, we won't say chimane, say obey your wide dreams of person you'll be done, it doesn't even click in your mind. Into a massa numenina, so take. It is our no a bibia. Here kesi pa I had been tisam ya mana nko so anti na se na oka no Johnson na ma na ya ma na duro betimi aboa ma na Johnson a nsuo no oda na betata na chi ha eni echi ha no o starting nanti a go nsa na akwa na ase just nsuo no wo body ni mo ntimi mpie nti wo fa nsuo na utimi nom na utimi kogina ba bi na wo Johnson a eya adomara kwa nti
ya adomara kwa
sa no yie na wanko ne a actually ekomun ne a wa form foundation ne a opeso ye ne se opeso oboa se na be amanfo nya ya
na Rebecca Foundation asem kra no ti yempese ema ebe kosa titi na se nipa nyina be fa sa ohawi mu yenye den na yemo yesab no
me da sepa in fact that is the crust of nia ye nyina ho mfaso no mesrew ma wosa na ho den no ehia in the first place nti se wosa na ho den ehia wa kwan be na be fa so abo ho ban se na be ya onya sa yare se na me kan ye no the common causes actually akamu ba ko say pressure and the money nyae me pa cho oya baba wa oya brantie wako ya chechire wonsa na osa na ho den kro ehia wa wonsa wonkokra me ya chechire wonsa nti wo de mesrew ene ye screening ewo hanom bra ni ya chechire wonsa ya chechire wonsa na ewo soro a one sa yare no any pressure no akwai say chicken and egg akoko ne nkosua eto de bia se na o kan
eto de bia ye frabonten fo no da bi haya pe
yes screening dey
na 1st July
yes
anti we dey omo se any kan twe ye de mu se da be ye be bobo ye wan che
ayi munya modro munya modre anti na dey see screening
yeah na dey see anti ka che ye nua no mo fia se e pamcho e worship na pampe
anti aba
anti akosi asapon no free set ne so akoti na ho a wo ye ne de no
and the fee afford there. Yes, somebody neighbor, Mpacho 1st July, move on to Hona Mumra Maya Modia. But near mechanic say, oh, chichiro pressure, near was sora, na doctor and Nientia, Ababa or Branty or pressure no cost because Abia Yakin, Nasa Yare or then Ewasi. Now, sounds na one control pressure no so Abamasa Yare na conenim. Abia actually it mean a Casaye Bibia because or controlling the pressure and send a beer son now one day no anything for more. Now, the next thing is diabetes, is Yare, Mr. Nina Nanamone. Mama money papa money nuanom so bia ka say diabetes was so mesrew mia wani na no munru anasa pania na wo so because time bia wotena ho a osichire no e wo soro no na e ha wani e ha wakoma no na e ha osa no dodo bebre amafo bebre amehu a omanya sa yare no a omanya diabetes obeka say oh na diabetes one so no nim de na so ofa ba bi ekonom aduro foforo bi anasa yi a eni amwa no te obeba ya so ye no na sa na ho den no ekokora mesremo insan ye num bebrebe na so insan so na nse waga na nso de ano hye
ano ade ankasa
bebre sa no ye nim ne ameka chi amamfo na se ne ye ka no nsuo a ekọ wanum aduane a wodi bibi a ekọ no kwan ben na efa so efi body ni mu ba se enam osa no mu na eba eden na ye sa no ansa na epie it is hasa no with time no sa na bebre it is sa na bre a baby ase na ntimi nya adwuma o se ye no se beboa ama efi na pie no it ya ba ko ha adwen na nneme bi wo ho a se mema ye nyi a prefer prostate no prostate ne ye kese wa ko gina ho no be 1 hour na ntimi nyon so ye ntu Johnson e ka chire no na e ko hasa no because I say sa no Johnson twa no e chire enti e ko hasa na eventually won say na sa no ye den
nti je na be ma wo sa abom funfunya sei
nti we no we dey aye hu wo aye so no ye de wo we ni ye de wo nti to de bia also ko na ko hwe yetimi ye ultrasound ye hu we no e wa busunya ni mu a wo maame wo bi wo papa wo bi a etimi ba wo so nti wonyi edu be 2030 a wako e bia chechire wonsa abrante bia me hwe na nsa me be yam say 2 weeks ago in fact okoye no mo pa wo omunya wo na one na yere ekọ hospital ye ko ne hu se be ma ne pressure wo so ye hu se pressure no wo so na na ye check ne pressure na so omra ne ye hwe no ye hwe ne hu se ne sa ho aka me ko ye scan na ne kidney ne say na net enti e bibia we abusuan enti me ka che enti o ma me o papa no so ne papa BBC ye ne ma me na me se unuanom na aka ye hwe baby was an ebea ye be prevent it nti nnwuma ni bi wo ho aye de wo nnwuma ni bi wo ho nso a ya na nya e wo nnwuma ye ho nti sa nnwuma nyina ehia ye pa
yate abi and launching bi ba so it say
oh nyame adom yes I want me pese me dey project no ma film me nua no bi bebre film aha ship out say every week nkofo ba ebeka chen so mo pe dialysis no nya sika ntia na me so em say cases na ekosro ana no me doctors na kasa o say at the emergency unit Kolebu Teaching Hospital every 10 cases be about emergency be 4 cases kidney problem and out of the cases at the Kolebu no medical blog no 10% of the cases is kidney. It's me asam na koshoro because maybe starting Kolebu 2007 o be kona nkrofo kakre bi pe na e dialysis no so like na machines ni be crazy yo the same machines ni nyina yema ye de bia be kan corridor ni nyina so the machines esi but so nkrofo gu a omo e ba beji ayaresa e wo machine so enti me say this year me this me so behind my small project me pe say me call schools e chen kan kwala no
okay
9 years, 10 years, 11 years, 15 years, yeah, uko dialysis units for Kolebu obesu. Nkwalanketua. Inti mpesi the education eremu hono mo. Because me won say mpenifo no ti say sadat mo no kasa chomo mo nte because omo kan chene da.
Omo baso.
Yes. Inti mpesi me tackle nkwala no from primary to SHS no. Inti me rere school more from all over the country, from Accra to the northern region.
She said, yeah, she
said, it's me kwa na me ni omo akokasa na ma church mo ebi no kura enim baby a kidneys ni she me tro mo se because we akola na odi ago na nkofo bobo echi kidney ni so echi eduane a wudi bibi obebia affect so ebi na wu but as you grow no na fe na problems na start enti behind my small project and they launch we pe best start already I started it by a say an official no be a bar no be who say yeah ba internet the any day see ship house see bibi best start here was so making sure so
charity begins at home.
Yes we fear jina ho ye and say so kura when you dey no be didi wie o me a no am obi bi yes and me fear her yeah free screening ama all stuff yenya Sibacon for General Hospital Med Lab for so ha omo ye BUE test no more urine test then ya kidney test we are checking pressure na ye kan ye be check sugar
ti we nyina na o se Ghana for be support ya na
oh yes Jamie here panning pibo because it am catch us ya to dey be am sorry my so weak but me pese me ko eno de meye nti me pia nyankopo ahoden se de beboa me a be bia me ko bia because me enye se me ko ti obi bill amano me nti obi bill because enye ade a metumi aye na kakra na mesua ne de metumi de amawo nti ne de seriously on public education and no as the evangelism on a kidney
pa doc and how are we celebrating today
me da say inti enne me fi studio ha me de manage Ghana College of Physicians inti public lecture ewo hono in fact media mutie you are all invited into hono penifo ekukudam for nyina wo ho in fact Minister of Health Obekasa in fact president of Ghana Kidney Association Bekasa rector of the Ghana College into sene ehunu ono so Bekasa in fact Anthony Nsiasare I mean Director General Ghana Health Service and so Bekasa in fact and na I'm hoping say wo fie na onye bibia mpacho for when chire Ghana College honom na bra assembly how efa kidney ho na nia opese ho in terms of government policy na nneema where ye kan nya ye pimpia se na ye kan no dialysis na esika sem nko nanso ye bompaye se aban ebe so ye nsene kakra se na be betimi abo amanfo because enimde no wo ho na amanfo te wanim no muntimi ntua se na actually kan amanfo ohu omo dialysis so omo betimi etua for dialysis no anya bia bebre in fact nhwem kakra me ye okonfo no che no in fact 20% na say omo betimi etua for
80% na
omo de omo ntimi almost tin me kan no omo se omo betimi but dodo na eventually okay physical na bra na yenye dialysis no baby as be less than 5%.
Sir, and it's so serious so betimi start no way jai because onye ska
and no be a doctor ba kono buy no but unya koso nso a that is your kidney for you.
That's your kidney for you.
And it doesn't even save you without your kidney. In fact, you ukona well nso a
eno si another issue
ba ko se me kire mo amanfo ti ase no dialysis no u kidney no adwuma ne ye be 10 a dialysis no eyi mu mienu pe efini pe na eyi se na woka no se wokoda dialysis so apane no nyae wo because moja no nro pressure no nyae no obeto aso no me je se efini na I say ni eyi kakra ma nti ye dwonso ma e wo machine so
enwa pete se afidie yi
aha ni ya ne se efina wo ntimi enye mpie no ni ye de machine na yi efi no nanso nro no obeto aso anom obefa ka ba and the quality of life on the machine so is terrible.
Exactly. Nti na che se e wo se wankasa wo de wo hyebre hye wo nsem na wo hwe wa pomudin eye na yebre na so quickly na to Fedro se ya ka che Abigail se me admire ne papa na me wo arehemu wo ni mu se bibia be ye kama na Rocky Exodus se mi musa se esichire bebre so etimi ma kidney problem ana Dr. Tano.
Aye.
Enye no
anu diabetes asem no nti sichire bebre na diabetes line na worldwide number 1 cause of kidney problem diabetes in the
what bra kwa Abigail wo de utina na ye ne fe o say I love your hair be ma nwi ye ne fe sade enya sem ketwa J Essential wo Instagram ko hwehwe J Essential Antonio Ben Blood say is it possible that you can inherit kidney problem from your parents?
Yes.
And doctor can say ane ubetumi. Sandra Uso say Abigail, I'm always proud of you and I like your courage. You have given hope to a lot of those who don't have. God bless you. And yeah, Honorable Abedi Kwada Sukumase or say sister, a big thanks to Dr. Elliot Cranton and Abigail Ashley for the education this morning. And happy International Women's Day to all women across the globe. Nana Kwajo Francis says that, good morning, yeah. First of all, I wish you and Abigail a happy International Women's Day. And I wish all women in Ghana and across the globe a very happy International Women's Day. To Mrs. Rebecca Kufuado, Mrs. Samira Baumia, and his mom, Amma Jemfua of Asante Bekwai. Kokotro, hey! If you are no kojokrom no ye munina. Senior Kwame Kusi says happy Women's Day, Auntie and Abigail. I really admire the strength Abigail has. Please she shouldn't worry. God will use her to change lots and lots of life in this country. Auntie no mum ye can say we celebrate your baby and no now I so celebrating we show a pomodin. So who sa if you say nay edano misi mienu na ye one World Women's Day and a World Kidney Day. Until we celebrate your bar, or your bar celebrating one, celebrating a double. Mwaninye, na share baby a wapi medru, na show a pomo day to go and do a checkup. Give yourself a treat or be an chawadia, chawamwadia. Na di bianua a same kwa. The best gift you can ever have is life. Into go check your kidney, then who say bibia a kama. Abi, it is well. You are a survivor. Abigail Ashley, or your founder behind My Smile Project, and Abigail Ashley Foundation, and a Dr. Elliot Cranton Tunnel, kidney physician, Confanochi Teaching Hospital, say ye di kidney day no, ewo College of Surgeons and Physicians, ewo enkahe say yeda mwasipa. Ye kwa ba pa afe, ye di Ghana nkomo.